Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to AMAZFIT Active Max. So I have the Active Max right here, and I've also got the AirPods 3 Pros. Now, how to connect those AirPods or practically any headphones to the watch. First, we're going to go over to app drawer, and then in the app drawer, we want to go over to the settings. Here in those settings, we want to open up Bluetooth, and we need to make sure that it's enabled. Now, let me open up the case, and here we're going to click twice to start pairing mode. Go to headphones here, and as you guys can see here, we already got the AirPods. We can just click on them. And now it says pairing. We wait for the sign. Let's click the check mark, and they are connected. So as you guys can see here, we can unpair them. So that's basically how to easily pair the Bluetooth headphones. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.